Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn grammar concept pronoun. Yesterday we have seen personal pronoun and possessive pronoun. Today we are going to see next type of pronoun. It is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns are means it is used to point out certain objects for certain object. Point out the certain object. Okay, means you are point out when you are point out the certain object, that time we are using demonstrative pronoun. Means demonstrative pronouns are that, this, that, these, those. Okay, these, that, these, those, as well as such. Such is also demonstrative pronoun. Okay. For example, this is a, see here, example, this is a kingfisher. Those are herons. Those are herons. Means these and those. These are the demonstrative pronoun here. Okay. Or for example, that was a wise idea. That was a wise idea. Means that is here demonstrative pronoun. Or next is this is not a genuine matter. This is not a genuine matter. Means this is here demonstrative pronoun. Okay. Or see here example. These or see these. These are not our books. These are not our books. Means these is here demonstrative pronoun. Or such book tells us nice story. Such books tells us nice story. Means such is here demonstrative pronoun. Like this way, these are the demonstrative pronoun. Okay. Means these are point out the certain object. Means for example, these are not our books. These are not our books. Means book is your object. And the demonstrative pronoun these point out to that object book. Okay, object book. Or those are new belts. Those are new belts. Means those is the demonstrative pronoun and belts is the object here. Means that those that points out to object new belt. Belts. Okay, like this way we are using the pronoun. These and those we are writing for plural object, and for singular this and that. Okay. Then next is relative pronoun. Okay, relative pronoun. Relative pronouns are see. Relative pronouns are interrogative pronouns. Interrogative relative. See first relative. Some pronouns are not only replace but also connect to sentence. Okay, that time these pronouns are relative pronoun. Means that tells us the relation of two objects. Okay, two things, two nouns. That time we are using pronoun. For example, biology is a science. It studies living organism. Biology is a science. It studies means biology. It means biology is related to organism, living organism. Okay, means that is relation of biology and living organism. That tells us about that it. Okay, it is here means it is a relative pronoun. Also next example see, biology is a science which or that studies living organism. We are using which or that also. Or also we are writing who, whose, whom. Okay, means these are the relative pronoun. Okay, these are the relative pronoun. Then next is some pronouns are used to ask a question. Some pronouns are used to ask a question. That time these pronouns are called interrogative pronoun. Interrogative means question. When you are using a question word, WH word, but that time, purpose of that, here also in the relative pronoun we are using which or whose, whom. Okay, these are all the WH word, but these words tells us the relation, and here we are using WH word for asking a question. That time these pronouns are interrogative pronoun. Okay, example C. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Means what is here demonstrative pronoun. Okay. Then next is which is your coat? Which. Okay, which is the interrogative pronoun. Then next is who is your coach? Who. Okay, means these words ask the question, WH words. Asking the question, that time these are interrogative pronouns. Okay, interrogative pronoun. Then next we are going to learn, here it is not mentioned, I will send you PDF of these pronouns. Okay, which is not mentioned here in your textbook. See, next is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun means that form by adding self. Form by adding self. For example, myself, yourself, herself, themselves. Means these are the reflexive pronoun. Okay. Means adding the self. When you are using adding the self to personal pronoun. When we are adding the self to the personal pronoun, for example, myself, yourself. Okay. These are the reflexive pronoun. For example, myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, itself, themselves. These are the reflexive pronoun. Reflexive, REFLEXIVE. Okay, reflexive pronoun. See example, I hurt myself while playing. I hurt myself while playing. Which is the reflexive pronoun here? Myself. Then see next, she bought herself a new raincoat. She bought herself a new raincoat, or she bought herself a new umbrella. Or we can use also he bought himself a new book. Okay, means himself, herself. These are the reflexive pronoun. The children hide themselves behind the tree. The children hide themselves behind the tree. For the children, pronoun use their themselves. Themselves. Means like this way, these are the pronoun. Means related to, for example, if there is they, we can, that time we are writing there themselves. They play themselves. They play themselves. Okay, means it is the themselves is pronoun for they. Okay, like this way, these are the reflexive pronoun. Okay. Our next last type is emphatic pronoun. EMPHATIC. Emphatic pronoun. Means a reflexive pronoun used for the purpose of emphasis is an emphatic pronoun. Means it is also same. Emphatic pronoun and reflexive pronouns are same. Means but reflexive pronoun that refer means action initiated by the subject. Action initiated by the subject. And here it is emphatic. Means emphatic means to give stress. To give stress. This pronoun giving stress to subject. Giving stress to subject. Okay. For example, see. You yourself will have to clear this idea. You yourself will have to clear this idea. Or we ourselves opened the packet and found it empty. We ourselves means after immediately that personal pronoun it use, means emphatic pronoun used there. Or for example, the teacher herself was puzzled about this matter. The teacher herself was puzzled about this matter. Means herself pronoun used for the teacher. Means that herself giving the stress on the teacher. Okay. Like this way, these are the emphatic. Here reflexive pronoun and emphatic, these are same. But here that subject means reflexive pronoun, it is reflect the subject, and here give stress on the subject. Emphatic pronoun gives stress on the subject. Means immediately after the personal pronoun there is emphatic pronoun. Okay, like this way, these are the types of pronoun. Okay, this lesson is important for your exam. Okay, tomorrow I will send you some PDF, means types of definition and some example of pronoun. Okay, in a PDF form. You have to write in your notebook this definition and this example in your notebook. Okay, thank you.